In this video we will see the CAD drawing tools provided by Tcp PointCloud Editor. We activate the references to CloudPoint and Endpoint. We go to the layer control, and create a new layer for the facade, setting its color and line thickness. We activate the drawing ribbon and run the polyline tool, which allows us to designate the vertices. We chose the option of multiple views to simultaneously display what we draw in several points of view. Now we create a new layer to draw the roof and define it as current. We proceed to draw the polylines of the roof of the building. We are going to export the drawing entities to DWG format, giving the file name to be created. In AutoCAD, we can verify that the drawn 3D polylines have been created correctly. Now we turn off the layers and import a previously created drawing. We hide the point cloud and verify that the operation was successful.